Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm back with a juice video. Do y'all like watermelon juice? Let's make some. Look at that. Ooh, it's only gonna take us a few minutes. I promise you, no more than 3 minutes of your time. Let's make this watermelon juice. We got this. I want y'all to make this because this is so simple, so quick, and very refreshing. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this watermelon juice. We don't need no other ingredients. But if you like to enhance the flavors, you can throw in some lime juice. You can throw in some mint leaves, whatever floats your boat. Honey, today is very simple, and I promise you this is very delicious if you get the right watermelon. Make sure you check that watermelon before you buy it. Make sure it's yellow on the bottom, okay? Make sure you give it that tap on the bottom to make sure it's got that hollow sound when you tap it, to make sure it gives you that sweet, sweet flavor that we know watermelon to have, okay? Okay, make sure you cut that watermelon into pieces that are going to actually fit into the top of that juicer. We're not trying to make this hard. This is simple. This is easy. You got this. Look how simple and easy it is. The machine is faster than me, y'all. This watermelon ain't hard to break down. It's mostly water anyway. This is really going to hydrate your body. And as I said, it's got lots of vitamins and antioxidants. But make sure it's got that, you got that diabetes problem, honey. Make sure you know it's got a high sugar, natural sugar content. Look how easy this is, guys. I know. I can't tell you how easy. You see it. I'm just literally putting it in the top and letting the machine do all the work. And look at all that goodness coming out on the other side. Honey, go ahead and pour you a refreshing glass. Sit back, relax, enjoy yourself. If you're not going to drink it right away, go ahead and put it in some mason jars and put it in the fridge. Just make sure you drink it within a couple of days. I put a little lime juice or lemon juice in it to kind of preserve it a little bit, okay? But I'm going to drink this right away. Honey, don't that look good? Now it's time for the cleanup. I'm going to clean this up before I drink my juice because, like I said, I want to relax and drink it. And this cleanup is so simple and easy. Look how quick this thing come apart. Honey, this ain't no expensive juicer. I don't know. What did I pay for this? I can't even remember. But look. Yeah. Little soap and water, mild soap and water. Rinse this right on out, and I'm ready for the next time. Look at that. Not a whole lot of waste, because like I said, watermelon is mostly water anyway. But it's going to taste so good. So good. Child, this video is about over. It's just that quick and easy. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, guys, and share this video with a friend. Cheers to this healthy and tasty drink. See you in the next one.